All right, in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna use any brand of pendulum squat to get the most output out of your quads. First and foremost, most pendulum squats, this platform is gonna be adjustable. We can move it up and down. I want to make sure that it is as far down as possible. When we're gonna train quads, biggest thing we're looking for is the amount of knee flexion that we're gonna get at the bottom of these reps. So what I mean by knee flexion is how much bend in your knee we're gonna get. So the goal is to get your hamstring and your calf to touch in the bottom of these reps. Foot positioning wise, I want it to be as low as you can get your feet on this platform, but not so low that when you get down towards the bottom, your heels start to lift up. So you want it just low enough to where it's gonna really get you deep into that knee flexion, but not so low to where your heels are gonna lift up off the bottom. So if we're set up correctly, let's control that eccentric, get nice and deep in a knee flexion, calves are touching the hamstrings, and then driving up.